Modern architecture emphasizes clean lines, open layouts, and strong connections between indoor and outdoor spaces. Windows play a major role in achieving this look while supporting everyday comfort. For homeowners in Pasadena, casement windows are an ideal match for modern architectural styles. Their sleek design, wide views, and practical performance make them a natural fit for contemporary homes. Why casement windows align with modern design? Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward like a door. This simple operation supports a streamlined appearance that complements modern architecture. In Pasadena homes with modern designs, casement windows blend seamlessly with minimalist exteriors and uncluttered interiors. Their design avoids bulky framing, helping maintain the clean lines that define contemporary spaces. Maximizing views with minimal visual disruption. Modern homes often prioritize views and natural light. Casement windows support this goal by allowing large glass areas without unnecessary dividers. For Pasadena homeowners, this means clearer sightlines and more daylight entering living spaces. Casement windows frame outdoor views in a way that feels intentional and refined rather than busy or segmented. Enhancing indoor-outdoor connection. Modern architecture often seeks to blur the line between inside and outside. Casement windows help create that connection by opening wide to invite fresh air and outdoor ambiance. In Pasadena homes, casement windows can be positioned to direct airflow into living spaces, reinforcing the feeling of openness that modern design celebrates. Supporting comfortable, efficient living spaces. Modern homes aren't just about appearance, they're about comfort. Casement windows are known for their tight sealing when closed. This compression seal helps reduce drafts and maintain stable indoor temperatures. Pasadena homeowners benefit from modern windows that look sleek while also supporting everyday comfort. Clean framing that complements modern interiors. The framing of a window plays a big role in how it's perceived. Casement windows often feature slim profiles that enhance modern interiors. In Pasadena homes, these clean frames pair well with neutral palettes, open floor plans, and contemporary furnishings. The result is a cohesive look that feels intentional and balanced. Flexible placement. For creative design, casement windows are versatile in size and placement, making them suitable for a wide range of modern layouts. Pasadena homeowners can use casement windows in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, or stairwells to highlight architectural features. Their adaptability supports creative design choices without sacrificing function. Improving comfort near window areas. In modern homes, windows are often focal points, which makes comfort near them especially important. Casement windows help eliminate drafts that can make these areas uncomfortable. For Pasadena homeowners, this means seating and workspaces near windows remain usable and pleasant throughout the day. Supporting natural ventilation strategies. Ventilation is an important aspect of modern home design. Casement windows open fully, allowing homeowners to manage airflow intentionally. In Pasadena homes, this helps circulate fresh air efficiently, contributing to a healthier and more comfortable indoor environment. Low-profile design with long-term appeal. Modern architecture values simplicity that lasts. Casement windows deliver a timeless look that won't feel dated as design trends evolve. Pasadena homeowners appreciate windows that maintain their appeal and performance over time, making casement windows a smart long-term choice. A smart match for contemporary living. Casement windows bring together style, comfort, and functionality in a way that aligns perfectly with modern architecture. For homeowners in Pasadena, casement windows enhance modern homes by offering clean aesthetics, expansive views, and reliable performance. They support the open, comfortable living experience modern design aims to create, making them a practical and stylish upgrade for contemporary residences.